Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Let's discuss the impacts of climate change on our planet and the steps we can take to address them. So, in the first slide, it says here climate change. So now we're going to understand the pressing global challenge and how we can combat it together. So in the second slide, let's discuss the impacts of climate change on our planet and the steps we can take to address them. So in the third slides, you can see the table of contents. So table of contents, it is how we can overview on what we're going to discuss in this video reporting. So we will discuss what is climate change, the definition of climate change, and why it is important, and what is the causes of climate change, and environmental impacts, and human and economic consequences of it. And firstly, we will not going to end these discussions without even providing solutions. So now we're going to next, in the fourth slides, what is climate change? So it says here, climate change refers to the long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns around the world. So it already says there, long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns around the world. So it will not just happen in a one place, it will happen around the world. But the changes will not maging pantay or pareha, because our world is evolving or revolving around. So the changes may not the same as the world ikot ganito. So yon. While these changes can occur naturally, and human activities such as the burning of fossils fuels are accelerating this process significantly. So human activities such as burning fossils, which is magtabas og mga puno, o kanang maglabay og dili maglabay ay maglabay og maglabay og basura sa maling labayanan, is such as that is the examples of human activities that can accelerate, which is makapagpaspas sa proseso sa paghitabo sa climate change. So it's really alarming that we contribute the mahitabo ang climate change. It already says there that occur naturally. So climate change happen naturally, but because of our human activities, and such as pagkat sa mga puno, makapapaspas ta sa paghitabo og climate change, pag-change sa mga weather, long term ba na siya, long term temperature weathers. So dili pare sa una no nga alas 9 pa lang kay tugnaw pa, karon kay alas 9 pa lang init na kaayo. So let's further to the next topic. Why is it important? Bakit ba importante na malaman natin kung ano ang climate change? Dahil isa itong climate change poses a critical threat to ecosystem, economies, and human survival, with its impact felt globally through rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disruptions of food and water supplies. So kung dili nato ni siya i-work, or dili siya matagaan og halaga, maka-epekto ni sa ato ang survival, which is kanang dili ta maka-survive if our world is kanang super hot na jud kaayo, like So na-quote dari, climate change affects everyone everywhere. Our planet's future depends on our actions today. So if iato na siyang limitahan ang pagkat og puno, og magkaroon ng awareness about how our human actions affects our ecosystems, economies, and human survival. How we can like kana implement ba, maging aware or mapais lang mismo, mapagamay lang ang mga bad human activities nato nga makapa cause sa pag-accelerate sa panghitabo sa climate change. And causes of climate change. So we have I know na kita tanan kabalot ako unsay cause sa climate change sa atua, sa mga animals, or sa kung sa pa ba, sa mga puno o asa pa man ang mga tanom. So the main cause of climate change is the increase in greenhouse. We all know what is greenhouse is when, di ba? This is the earth, and there was like layer, and then a natural nga ginapagawa sa greenhouse is like na siya process pas pa siya. But if ay kita manggod gabuhat ta og human activities, which is naga-produce po tag carbon dioxide, which is CO2, kunyari kita nagasubatag kalayo, and then we always use our car, and that car possesses like kanang gases like kanang mga aso. So the greenhouse will na siya emissions, like na siya something naay something nga kanang process sa greenhouse. So we have to be aware of that. And the environmental impacts. So environmental impacts is environmental impacts of climate change include rising global temperatures, melting polar melting polar ice caps, rising sea levels, and changing weather patterns. So sa atong environment, makaapekto ang climate change, whereas mag-change ang everything like the weather, temperature, melting of polar ice. Kaya di naman niya makaya ang diba, imagine that polar ice, it's kanang big na siya nga ice nga bisag init dili na siya matunaw dayon, but the effect of climate change, it will melt really easily. Like imagine that nga na kainit pag mag climate change. So rising sea levels, because pag init magud ang mundo, mag-erupt ang nasa ubos, and then something ganon, mataas ang kuan, like kuan pod ang mag-eruptions pod ang mga volcano, kay something will happen to that, kay hot ganon. And then human and economic consequences. So human and economic consequences, no, we all know that we can makaranas tagi nga ni, especially when dili tayo nagasubay sa rules and how to really prevent climate change to happen. Climate change disrupts agriculture, disrupts kanang mga agrikultura nato, pahunong niya na kanang grabe na kayang init. So dili man mo tubo ang mga tanom no kung dili balance. Kung init ta pirmi, syempre magka ano jud ta famine, kay manguga man ang mga ang land, so dili makatanom ang mga farmers, so leading to reduced food yields, worsen public health by spreading diseases like dengue and cholera. So we all know no. So this is the few duha ka klase nga disease nga makuha nato if ever nga mo increase or ma-increase ang heat, which is the dengue and cholera. Kay wala naman tay mga puno, kay dead naman sila. So and causes coastal floodings, displacing millions due to rising sea levels. So, renewable energy. So, this is the example of my solutions. So, mag-renewable energy. So, maggamit tag solar or dili ta permite magsigig pa kuano ka ng kuryente, gamit og kuryente because the pag magamit ang kuryente man good kay it needs process like mag sana kanang magpaaso like ganun is need process like that para magtuyo ka to energy para maano na to ang kuryente, and we don't need that. So to prevent it, kailangan na to mag-use of renewable energy, which is the example of solar system mga na. And one of main solutions to address climate change is the transitions to renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydropower. So that is the example of the solution. So mitigation strategy. So other mitigation strategies include increasing energy efficiency, reforestation, and changing consumptions and production patterns. So ilahi na to atong habit no nga kanang dili na to proper labay at mga waste, and maging efficient ta sa atong paggamit, dili ta mag-over gamit sa mga human resources, and reforestations and changing consumptions and production patterns. So ano siyang i-balance and atong ligtas ang ating mga puno. And then climate change, so quick lang conclusion, climate change is a global challenge that requires collective action. So it's climate change, we will not dili na to na siya ma-avoid if isa lang ang magbag-o. Dapat tanan ang mabag-o, tanan ma-aware about the climate change and how it affects us. And by raising awareness and adopting sustainable measures, we can protect the planet for future generations. So that's a quick and very impactful quote out there sa hapit na second to the last page. It's very impactful that dili lang isa dapat katawo ang mag-change and be aware to protect our planet. So for us to be able to a greenery future, we should need to change and be aware now, and our decision today will grant us bright and bigger picture. So that's all, and thank you for listening to my report, and thank you. Bye.